Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very different from something you have seen here before. So I usually do styling content and clothing hauls, and you will continue to see those, don't worry at all. Tuesday at 9 a.m. I will continue to be doing a haul every single week, and Friday at 9 a.m. I will continue to do styling and some other form of fashion content. However, I want to branch out a little bit and start doing some other type of lifestyle content. And I recently just moved from Portland, Oregon to Dallas-Fort Worth area. So I want to kind of show you guys my new apartment. We can style together. We can, do all that kind of stuff. I have a lot of plans here. Sunday is just gonna be the day where I can post whatever kind of content. If that's not your style, those other videos are still going to be there. This is just added. Without further ado, today's video, I'm going to be showing you my apartment. So we did downsize a little bit. We did it so that we got more quality. We went from a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhome, and now we're just in a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment, 1-story, but we do have a lot of space here. Our things fit relatively well. So I'm just gonna show you around. Not finished at all, like there's no decorating, we don't have any rugs. There's a lot that we still need to get, but this is just like our big furniture that we brought with us, kind of put into the space, and you can kind of see what we're working with. And then in the future, you guys might be able to see some styling, home decorating, that kind of stuff of this space. I'm gonna do a gallery wall. I have a ton of different projects that I wanna do. So you walk in, this is the front door situation. There is little Paige. We don't have anything going on this wall. We have no wall art hanging. And then this is her little food section here, another blank wall. And you walk straight into our kitchen. And this is honestly one of the main features why we loved this place and why I wanted to move here, just because like the finishes, you see these lights, it's amazing in here. So kind of walk through and give you a little bit more in depth. I, first of all, loved the lighting in here. So it gives you so many different options with lighting. We have these accent lights that I think give a good ambiance if those are just on. We have recessed lighting, and then we also have under the cabinet lighting, which is amazing and something I have always wanted. It also has a huge sink. I love this sink. It's like an industrial size sink. You can watch a dog, a baby, anything you need in the sink. And it also has one of these things. I don't know a lot of the terms for these, but of that has a garbage disposal. Dishwasher is a must-have. In my very first college apartment, I didn't have a dishwasher, and it was terrible. Truly terrible. A lot of the things that you guys see, if they're like decor pieces, are probably from Anthropologie, and I don't have any links or anything like that, but like this little like bowl and like these little trinket dishes and stuff are all going to be from Anthro. I got some Anthropologie candles, like coffee scent. This one's amazing. The amount of storage in this kitchen is real. So like as you can see from this angle, we have the whole pantry set here, and then all of these cabinets, this one little one that has open glass shelving, which is amazing, and then all the under cabinets as well. This was also my first time having the drawer pull out at the bottom as well. This is for a freezer. It does have an ice maker, but it doesn't have any water, like water on the door. That would be my only complaint, but honestly, it doesn't even matter. We've used Brita filters forever, and I love them, and it fits perfectly right in there. This is what our fridge is looking like. You'll get a grocery haul soon. We have all of our ahas up here. It's like sparkling water, which I really love. And then my husband, fiance, is privy to Dr. Pepper. So kind of boring. It's the fridge. Again, all of these black finishes, I feel like look very sleek and modern. I really enjoy those. Even the countertops, this like stone seems very modern to me. We have some decor. There's a lot going on up here because again, I had so many little decor pieces that I don't really know where to put now. I want a little plant for here. Obviously, there's a lot of things that are in progress. Our stove here, it's pretty standard. It is a flat top. I'm having a hard time adjusting. I had one before, but this one seems extra finicky, but we'll get there. We'll get used to it. I always do love having a microwave on top of the stove because I love being able to use the vent and the light, because a lot of times I will just cook with this under cabinet lighting, and then I'll do the surface light to see what I'm doing. And then this is our little coffee / drink station. So my fiance loves coffee. I'm not a big coffee drinker myself, but this is how he prefers to make his coffee. There's a pour over here. All of that, a little breakfast station with the toaster, and then we have this wine fridge, which is super cool. I feel like it's a touch that a lot of apartment complexes would not add, but this is it. It's supposed to just be wine. We have like other alcohol in there because it's like, where am I going to put that? We're not big drinkers, so well, wine fridge, so cute. and the open shelving. I did my best to kind of style this. We're doing dishes at the moment. There's usually 4 of each color of these kind of in here. And then I have my wine glasses, our champagne glasses. And then up here I have mugs that are not microwave safe. The gold edging and rim and foil and all that kind of stuff. I have accidentally put one in the microwave before. So those I put up there so I remind myself these are not to go in the microwave. All right, so that is the overview of the kitchen. I love it. It feels like a real adult kitchen, to be honest. Another clever and kind of neat thing about this apartment is a lot of the plugs have USB ports, which is really nice and handy if you're charging stuff. Right next to the door here, it has this built-in mud bench, which again, such a great touch. So I just have my purse there, and like, you know, you have dog walking stuff, masks for when you're running out the door. And then my fiance keeps a lot of his shoes here. I keep like sandals and stuff that I just kind of throw on when we're running out, but he keeps a lot of his shoes over here. That's perfect. You can just like sit and put your shoes on. This is the other side of the kitchen. Obviously we have these couple bar stools. These were from our old apartment, and we had a smaller little island bar area. I think it looks okay. I would love it if I had a third one, but these only come in sets of 2, and they've gone severely up in price since I purchased them. These are actually from Wayfair. I wouldn't recommend. I'm sure there's ones that you can find. They're very similar, like the gray velvet and then gold legs. Like you see that everywhere, but I do like the way they look with this whole kitchen. And when you turn this way, this is still, we're obviously still in the process of like fully unpacking. We don't yet have like a bookshelf, and this is full of books. These are extra books that I like read on the trip over, all stuff that needs to have like some type of storage. And at the moment we don't have that. Then this is the door leading to the hallway. It is actually a sliding barn door, which I thought was a cool touch. And this is the dining room area, which honestly is pretty sizable for a 1-bedroom apartment. For a 1-bedroom apartment, have this whole area. The wall kind of cuts out a little bit, so it is its own nook. Her cage kind of makes everything a little bit off center. She is lounging. We don't have any rugs, so I feel so bad. I've tried and put like soft things around so she has somewhere to lay, because this floor on her poor little body. But this is our dining room table. It has a removable leaf, so it could become just a smaller circle. Table is actually from Target, and the chairs are from Wayfair. I really like it. Table isn't in the greatest condition. The move was hard on it, and then also not the best quality, but I do love the look of it, and I can fix those spots if I want to. So that's this area. Obviously we need something on the wall, maybe like a credenza on the back there, and we can pull this out a little bit. I have a lot of ideas for this area. When you turn this way, this is my fiance's corner. He has his whole computer set up there and his electric piano thing over there. Also, he's not done unpacking as well. That closet there is just a utility closet. They told us not to worry about it, and they would, you know, if they ever needed it, we could pull the stuff away from it, but they're like, literally pretend it's not there. And I was like, okay. And then this is our living room. So we do have a fan over the living room, which is very nice. And then we have these double doors. Only one of them actually opens up to the balcony, which is nice for when you're putting furniture on the balcony. We don't have any yet, but you are able to put furniture in front of that other door because only the one side opens. So I know this looks funny. We are still on the hunt for a good coffee table. We had a glass coffee table in Portland, and this little child ran into it a lot. I don't think she was able to properly see it, and I was really afraid of her getting hurt. So sold that one when we moved, and this is just an old trunk that I've had forever. My mom bought it for me a long time ago. I usually put like shoes in it when I'm moving, but right now it's our coffee table and there's shoes in it. So there's that. This is our couch. The couch is from Article. It's in this beautiful blue suede. I was very adamant that I wanted some type of colored suede couch, and Article was a really good option. I love it so far. We've had it for probably over a year. Yeah, we've had it definitely a year now. It comes with all of the navy pillows, but these colored ones up here I bought separately. The center pillow is from H&M, and the 2 outside pillows are from Urban Outfitters. This super fuzzy blanket we use literally all the time. This one is from Anthro, and that navy fuzzy one, I'm not sure. I've had that forever. I want to say Costco. We have this lamp over here, which actually I was just telling my fiance, I love the look of it, but the actual light that it gives off is really gross no matter what bulb you put in it. So it's more of a decoration lamp, but yeah, that was from Target. And then, you know, just some knickknacks, candles, all from Anthro. I think everything on this table is from Anthro, or on this little stool. This is from Cost Plus World Market. Love it. Got it a long time ago. And this is our TV stand. So obviously cord and wire management needs some work. This TV stand is actually, oh, just noticing now, the doors are on backwards. I'll have to switch those. This console was actually built by a local woodworker in the Portland area, and I really fell in love with this piece when I found it. So I trekked it all the way from Portland to here, to my fiance's dismay, because it's huge, 70 inches long. So it is very big, but it was handmade, and the style of it is so beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted in a TV console. This is my record player, a plant that I also brought with us from Portland. The only one, it's recovering. It's a pathos, it'll be fine. And just some more knickknacks, our router. I want this section to be a little bit different. Obviously, when we have some type of like storage system over here, the record player can move. We're planning on getting a bigger TV. The printer won't be here. This will look very different once we get settled, especially because it's just like such a big empty wall. The same with behind the couch. There's just a lot of empty white space, and there's pretty tall ceilings here. So we will eventually get a gallery wall or do something here. And now I will show you the balcony. It's very, we don't go out there very often because there's a lot of bugs here, but this is it. It's pretty sizable. You can see here, it's a good amount of space for if you want to put, you know, patio chairs. I'm planning on putting 2 type of chairs and like a little table. So when you go into the barn door, these double doors here is actually our laundry room, and it's a full washer and dryer, which is really nice, and this whole area for storage right up here. And then we do just kind of throw our laundry right in here, so when it's time to do it, super easy. I have this rug in here. Didn't know where to put it, and it kind of worked out perfectly here. And I also have our broom and like mop and stuff back there as well. And then when you go right, it is our bathroom, and left is our bedroom. We'll take you in our bedroom first. Again, we are not finished decorating or doing anything like that, but our bedroom really did need to be multi-functional, because this is where I, you know, do my schoolwork. This is where I edit. This is where I do my makeup. I really needed a desk space, and in the old place I had a whole other bedroom to do that. So we did look very specifically at places that had large enough bedrooms that I could have my little area. So this is my desk. All of this bedroom furniture, as well as our nightstands, are from Target. And this chair is actually just the one from out in the, it's part of our dining set. I am yet to get a chair. So yeah, this is my little desk setup. I have like my makeup, my brushes, my palettes, and then my laptop, iPad things. And down here I have like my hot tools. It's also a charging station for everything. And Paige is wherever I am. There she is. So these are our dressers. Michael gave me pretty much free reign over what's going on top of them. And then one side's his, one side's mine. Headbands. You guys have seen this kind of setup from the old apartment. It's a video. And then this is our bed. So our nightstands, our lamps don't match. I'm planning to get another ball lamp from IKEA so that I can put this lamp over here. But anyway, his bedside table has a lot more going on it, because, you know, I have most of my things over at my desk. So mine is just, you know, clip, book, Apple Watch, that kind of thing, and our bed. So it's a little bit of a tight fit in here, but not bad. I feel like we have enough room for everything that we need to fit in here. Again, really high ceilings. This room does have a fan, which is nice. And then we do have a fan blowing directly on us, because I love to be cold when I sleep. This is the bedroom. And the best part of this room is the walk-in closet. So we are sharing, of course, our walk-in closet, and I need some storage solutions, but we have this whole section here for long hanging. So I keep my dresses, my coats here, my camera equipment. We have built-in cubbies and stuff. So that's where my sewing machine and that kind of stuff's living at the moment. And then I have the top of this, and my fiance has the bottom. He was nice enough to give me the top. So I have my dresses, shorter coats, and then all of my blouses here. And he has the bottom there. So there's a ton of storage if we need it up top. And yeah, we just need to kind of figure out something to do with shoes, this whole bag of shoes. Thinking of getting some type of floor system. We're gonna go into the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. It is huge. We joke about this all the time, that This bathroom is ridiculously huge. Like there's no reason a bathroom needs to be this big. Paige does have puppy pads in the bathroom. She's trained to go into the bathroom if, you know, we don't get into a walk when she needs to go. She goes literally right on the pad, easy cleanup. She's great. And then look at this vanity. There's so much storage. This whole thing is like a linen closet. I need to figure out, again, a better storage solution for blankets and things, because right now they're like this. Linen closet, and then this giant mirror. Hello, there's me. Giant mirror, double vanity. We've never had a double vanity before, and it's kind of funny because if you'll notice, we both still use this sink, I'm pretty sure. But there's tons of storage underneath both sides and in the drawers. So this has been really great. And then the absolute best part of this apartment, one of the reasons I wanted it so bad, was this bathtub. So it is a shower bath combo, but the bathtub is a full soaker tub. Like not even like, oh, it's kind of deep. Like no, this is a soaker tub. Like I don't know if you can see how absolutely deep that is, but so deep. And I love the tiling, goes all the way up to the ceiling. This is like magnificent. I love it so much, and the shower head's really good. Many a bubble bath have happened here. So that happens to be the end of the apartment tour. So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I know there is a lot of areas that, you know, I'm like, this isn't finished, we need this here. Obviously need some rugs, we need some wall decor, but the bones are here, our furniture's here, we got ourselves here, which was a feat all on its own. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you want to see more content relating to home decor, apartment tips and things like that, please let me know. We're still just getting settled, and I'm excited to be sharing this new little bit of content with you on Sundays at 9 a.m. But if that is not your jam, please come back for your regular Tuesdays at 9 a.m. and Fridays at 9 a.m. for hauls and styling videos, all the same. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.